Located within a vast ranch in the countryside of São Paulo, Brazil, Village House is a residence that reimagines the idea of rural living through one of MK27's defining principles, dissolving the boundary between architecture and landscape. The project takes inspiration from the character of a traditional village. Rather than conceiving the home as a single continuous volume, the architects divided it into a collection of stone-clad pavilions gathered beneath one expansive roof. As together, these volumes form a small private settlement, a contemporary village connected by alleys, courtyards, and covered terraces. As visitors move through the house, the experience constantly shifts between openness and intimacy. Thick stone walls conceal the interiors, revealing entrances and framed views only gradually. Unexpected openings in the ceilings bring sunlight deep into the spaces, while the shadows of surrounding trees move slowly across the walls and floors throughout the day. The house is organized around the natural movement of its inhabitants. 8 individual volumes contain the main functions of the residence, including the master bedroom, library, wine cellar, gym, guest rooms, living areas, kitchen, and wellness spaces. Between them, a network of pathways and small piazzas creates a fluid sequence of movement, recalling the irregular character of medieval villages. The transition between exterior and interior is further softened by the material palette. Rough stone defines the outer walls, giving the house a grounded, almost ancient character. Inside, walls and ceilings are wrapped in warm timber, creating a sense of comfort and intimacy. Natural fabrics, leather, and woven fibers reinforce the rural atmosphere, while carefully designed openings and sliding wooden screens allow light to filter gently between spaces. Each volume becomes a different atmosphere, shifting from rustic to refined, from communal to private, and from open landscape to sheltered interior. Rather than moving through a conventional house, one feels as though they are wandering through a small village, discovering new courtyards, passages, rooms, and views along the way. The architecture is deliberately restrained in its construction. Perimeter walls are built in masonry, while lightweight drywall partitions define the interiors. Structural elements are carefully concealed within the walls and ceilings, allowing the architecture to maintain its visual simplicity. Sliding timber frames use standardized dimensions to improve efficiency without compromising comfort or craftsmanship. Above, the roofs extend the relationship with the landscape. Covered with soil and peanut grass, they visually merge with the surrounding terrain, while integrated solar and photovoltaic panels introduce renewable energy systems into the architecture. In the end, Village House is less a house in the countryside than a village within the landscape. Its stone volumes, shaded paths, courtyards, and gardens create a sequence of spaces that encourage exploration and discovery. Here, architecture does not stand apart from nature. Instead, it creates a gentle framework through which people can move, gather, retreat, and experience the landscape as an inseparable part of everyday life.